repair shop. I'm Dan the man, your man. Um, yes, I do repairs for robots like yourself. You don't like to be called robot. So you have three options. You want me to call you a human, a robot, or a humanoid robot? Humanoid robot? Okay, good choice. We want help with your system, like the overall system, or just like the overall system? Oh, you want to see like if there are any viruses, any issues inside your systems. Sounds good. You yes, you've got the right man here, Dan the man. But yes, no, I'm usually busy, but today it's just an exception. I guess you're lucky. Um, but yes, mhm. I know sometimes some of my colleagues don't know what they're doing and they just, yes, screw things up. Um, Speaking of screws, um, let me just, yes, I'm going to open your, yes, mm-hmm, yes. No, it's going to, yes, sting a bit, but I'm hoping that it doesn't. So, yes, ready, yes. Okay, one, down, two, down, three, down, and four. Ooh, this one is a bit, okay, down. Okay, can I, yes, can I open you? Okay. Let me just take a look. Hmm. I see. I see a wire there. Like you. I don't know if you can. Yes, you can. Okay. So if you can look, like here, can you scan it and see like, yes, like, does it tell you like when you scan? Does it tell you like if this is your this is your what? You don't know, but I also don't know. So what should I do? Do you want me to cut it? Because I feel like because you don't know what it is for, and because yes, are you okay? I just want your consent for doing that. You're okay, okay. One, two, three. Oh, I think it's a bit thick. So yes. Do you feel any yes any changes anywhere inside your humanoid body? Oh, wait. Are you blinking right now? Then why are your eyes looking like that? Okay, no, I see your, I see the light in your right eye. Yes, it's flickering. Maybe, maybe that was, oh, I think that was connected to your right eye because now, can you see through your right eye? Can you see me? You can't? Okay. I think, yes, these companies make you and they just don't, yes, they don't provide us with any details about like all of these colored wires, but yes, I have the fix for you. Luckily, yes, yes, luckily for you, I have your fix here. I bought it cheap. No, you can, yes, you can buy them in bulks. Um, but yes, oh, how could you open your eye like that? But that's okay. It helps me. I wanted to, yes, I wanted to, yes, open it myself, but thank you for opening your eye, I guess. Um, can I put it there? Okay. No, this is going in, and yes. No, I'm just going to just wipe it. Yes, I think it's okay. Just blink. Or, I mean, yes. You can blink, right? Yes, okay. No, I'm just watching your eye, your right eye, to see if it's coming up. It's turning on. Yes. Good. I'm glad that I can help. Okay, back to the other parts of your system. Now, for your shoulders. Okay, oh, let me just close you. Yes, I forgot. But let's see if any other wires. You don't want me to. Okay, you don't want me to disconnect anything else. You need all of those wires. Like even this one, this one. Yes, this one. If you can look, yes, are you seeing that? So your scanner is telling you that's for your that's for your mouth. Ah, okay, so maybe there is no need for can yes, for cutting anything. So let me just, I think you're a pro at this. You know yourself well. Let me just put the cover back, and I'm going to, yes. Okay, good, yes. Feeling alright? Oh, okay. So for your shoulders, your legs are fine. Do you want me to look at them? Your joints. Okay. So you need. Okay. No, I think I had something for that, but I don't have now. But yes, for this, let me just. Yes. And your other shoulder. Yes. Do you want me to also go down and see like what's going on there? Do you want me to? Yeah, it's like joints here. Okay. This is going to take a second. Okay, that's for that side. For this side. Yes, okay, all everything fine. Can you move your legs? And you can? Okay, everything is working. Your digits, are they movable? Your thumb, what is it? Okay, let me just put a screw there. I have all sorts of screws. Yes. Let's see which one is better. This is for your thumb. So I guess I should use something bigger. Do you want it big? Like that? Or do you want it smaller? Like that? Yes, I'm going to just, yes. Does that look alright? Okay. Well, yes, no problem at all. This is my job and I love helping humanoid robots like you. I got it right this time, right? Yes. So for your thumb. Okay, I think. Yes, that's fixed. That's fixed. Let me just wipe my hands. Yes. Do you, no, you, oh, okay. But I'm going to do it anyways. I'm just going to wipe it because, yes, I did. Okay. So that's for that. Is your heart working well? Okay. You feel like you have some difficulty moving? So now that I have fixed your... Can you move? Yes, go further. Yes, just move from that side to that side. From right to left. And from left to right. Can you do it again? And left to right? Okay, can you come back? Yes, come back. Okay. So maybe you're out of breath. Maybe it has... Yes, maybe it has to do with your heart. So you have a mechanical heart. So, yes, I'm going to grab some other tools. I have a bunch of, yes, screwdrivers and okay, do you like that one? Yes, I like the color red and black. Yeah. No, I feel like... No, I think that's the right size for you. Don't you think? Trust me, I'm Dan the man. You know, Dan the man. So, remember that. I'm your guy, so whenever you have issues like this, just come and see me. I'm going to... Yes, just open it. Open your heart. Can you move to this side? Okay. Okay. Yes, okay. So, do you have any family here? You don't? Okay. That's unfortunate. But yes, so... It's open. So, do you want me to open? You're going to take the cover out yourself, or I can do it? Okay. Yes, it's stuck a bit. Okay. Just put it there. Well. When did you change your heart battery? When was it? Years ago. Like how many years ago? That's a lot. Like, how could you survive that long? That's why you couldn't even just walk from left to right, from left. Yes, from right to left. Um, so these are the batteries that I have. Let's show it to you. These are the new batteries, and each of these, yes, yes, they are for your energy levels. Um, I'm just going to like slide them in, and you're not going to feel a thing. Okay, I promise. So 8 suffices. I have. Oops. I'm going to. No. They're fine. They're fine. Okay. Do you think these are dirty? No. Don't think that. I just. Now they're clean. Um. So let's go in. They're going to be inside you now. Oh wait. Oh wait. Let's bring. Yes, I'm going to just take out your previous battery, which is. Let me do it with that. Yes, I'm going to. Yes. Okay. I know. It was really dirty. All of that dust. Yes. How could you? How could you? How could you survive all these years? Okay. Now, ready? I have 8 of these batteries. They're going in one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh, that one sounded different, but 8. They're in now. Do you? Okay, let me just put the cover back. And I'm going to just, yes, use that. Okay. I think it's okay now. Can you just go, yes, move back there and, okay. No, that is a thing for my other client, for my, yeah, so it's also like yourself, but ignore that. Yeah, so move from right where you're standing to your left. Yes, just move slowly as before. And from left to right. And from right to left. And from left to right. I promise this is the last time. Okay. Are you out of breath? No? Okay, that's good. Come back. Come back. Let's see. Oh, okay, I have something for you. Yes, just sit here. I know that you were sitting there, but does it matter? Like, where do you sit? You can sit there. Okay, here? Okay. Yes, so this is a flash drive of, yes, you know what is, so you're familiar with these flash drives. You love them? Okay, of course you do. So this is full of musical knowledge. Yes, I thought maybe I can gift it to you. And also, no, this is not. No, if I share all of my knowledge with you, then how I'm going to make money? You know? Yes. So, no, this is. Oh, they gave you like another flash drive. What was it on? Okay, it was on. Hmm, not good. Not good. Yes, some of these flash drives are like, yes, are full of viruses and you don't want them to infect your system. So yes, so back to this. This is for you, my gift to you. Do you want me to like put inside you now, or you're going to do it later at home? You want to do it later at home? Okay. So I'm going to give that to you. No, I'm not going to charge you for that. I'm not even going to charge you for today's service because this was your first session. And what else? Uh, no, I'm just going over. So oh, we forgot your brain, your controller. Do you would yeah? Do you want me to take a look at it? You don't want me to mess up with. But okay, sorry. Um, but yes. So I have. No, I'm not a robot. I'm not even a humanoid robot. I'm just like human. Like one of the old, traditional. Yes, humans. Yes. But yeah. Where did you go? Hello. I guess that's how they disappear. Feel free to come back if you can hear me, even I don't see you anymore. Whatever. Okay, how can I even use this? Oh, I think I had to cut that wire for him. Oh, anyway. Well, yes. No, I'm Yanda Man. I'm your man. So yes, take a seat. Yes, I know you're a humanoid robot.